All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is the limited 4x4 model. It's beautiful black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steerable controls, backup camera, heated seats, navigation system, fog lights, roof racks, alloy wheels, 28,000 miles of this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire tread, which is just under 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread. Oops. Tire tread is under 7/32. Got a little dent here. Some paint off. No biggie. Here's your roof. You know what that looks like. Panoramic sunroof. Looks great. Here's get your power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. It is a memory seating. Front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It's a powered seat as well. There's a nice shot of what your sunroof looks like in here. Very nice. Get in here. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on the light here. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Something about no active subscriptions. Got your navigation system, your backup camera, all right, your heated seats, boom, boom, vented seats as well. Very nice. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage. What the hell's going on? Press OK for miles per hour. Okay. Now what? I see you need some gas. And there's your mileage of 28,217. Get your 4x4 action here as well. Okay. Keep it moving. Here's, of course, your rear trunk, your rear passenger seat. No, there's rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders coming around. Actually, let me get my measurement tools. Rear bumper looks pretty nice. Here's a rear lift gate. That looks good. Oops. One button opens up. It is automatic. Here's, of course, your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools and stuff. And then you got a little power button here. Closes your gate. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread is under 4/32. Let me double check it. That's right. Just at above 4/32 right there. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents and heated seats back here. Front door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat.